Hello everyone, how are you all doing today? Don't you all wish there were times that if something wasn't working right, you would have a quick fix? Well, we don't know about other things, but today we have something that we are going to work a hack on. It's basically a pipe or a tube, how you could make a way to get it fixed or connected to another tube. Stay along and let's work this hack out as well. Welcome to another episode of How. This is the pipe that I was talking about, the tube, which I need to connect to the oxygen pump. Now, this is for the aquarium. As you can see, it's not fitting to connect to the oxygen pump. So, here, can you see? It's not able to cover it up. So, you just need to heat the side which needs to fit through or connect to the oxygen pump. Let's see if it works now. Well, the corner of it is fine, but still it yet needs to be heated. So we'll try heating this a bit more to see if it actually works, and then we'll try to fit it through here. We'll see. Just you'll have to use a little bit of force and mind your fingers cause it can be really hot. Now this technique can be used on other pipes as well if you need to fit it in this way. Can you see how well it's fitted? Once it goes through, please do not try fiddling with it or removing it out. You can just check if it's fit well, but do not remove it out. Give it some time to cool down in around that area itself so that it will connect properly in future. There, just holding it, it's fixed well. There's no problem at all. So friends, how was that quick fix? I know it was a lot more easier than trying to go and find out a pipe which would actually fit through the pump. This technique can be used on different type of tube and pipes, and it works each and every time. So basically an easier concept, something that we study in science in school, that once heated, the material, the rubber, starts expanding, because of which you can fix it through another pipe or something. Even usually when you have a lawn area, a gardening area, and you have a pipe, and say suppose it's cut in the middle or you need to fix it, you need to make it longer, connect another pipe. This is the same technique you can use. You can heat it along and put it on top of the other pipe in the same way. If not, yes, you do get connectors. However, if there's no chance of finding a connector and you want a quick fix, this is an easier way out. So friends, make use of this hack if you ever come in such a situation, and let us know what was your experience regarding it. We'll wait for your comments. For those of y'all who have not yet subscribed to my channel, it's a sincere request. Please subscribe to my channel and do not forget to click on the bell notification icon to get updates on all my upcoming videos. I'll see you in another episode of How.